Hi, we're here once again. Got a different situation today. Would you tell us your name?
My name is Sebastian Garcia.
Yeah, go ahead. It's your video.
Ever since I started these powders in September, I know my thyroid is better. My no headaches. Haven't had any headaches since September. I feel much better as far as I've lost some unnecessary weight. My doctor said I look good. I know that next week I have surgery, and ever since September to now, every month I've been getting a scan to check on how my tumors are doing, and haven't seen any growth. It's been a good 3 years since I've heard the news of no growth on my tumors, and that is
Can we
good news
start
for
from
me.
the beginning?
Yes, so my cancer journey started 3 years ago in November of 2020. That's on Thanksgiving was the day when I got noticed I was diagnosed. Ever since then, I've been going to San Antonio for a year, and then the past 2 years I've been at Houston, MD Anderson, and I have osteosarcoma. It started in my knee, and I've had surgery there, and then after that, after my knee, it spread to my right lung, in which I lost 20% of my right lung. And then after that, the day before my surgery, I had a scan, and they found tumors on my left lung. 6 months later, in 2020, I got this surgery in January of 2022, and then 6 months later, I had surgery on my left lung on June of 2022. 6 months later, and they took out 8% of my left lung. So this time of next week in December of 2023, I'll be having another surgery around my left lung, not in my left lung, but around my right lung, and that will be next week.
Did it affect your breathing?
No.
No.
Well, as far as
when
yes.
they took out a percentage?
Yes, it was. I had tubes going all around me for all that extra air to come out. The whole procedure went good. It was hard at first. Trouble breathing. I was in a breathing tube for a while.
Yeah. Did you think that the supplements, the food, the superfood, I call it food that makes you younger, because I tell people you've been eating food that takes away your hunger, but now let's consider some foods that make you younger. Did these foods help you to have more oxygen? You think? Did you notice any difference that you had better breathing?
I wouldn't know for sure because
Okay.
ever since my knee surgery, I don't run anymore.
Okay.
I haven't done really exercise because of a chemotherapy I'm going through right now. It's pretty severe in my hands and feet. Can't do push-ups, can't do...
Okay. Do you have pain like you used to? Or what has gotten better since the smoothie as far as feeling better?
I know that I don't sleep as much as I do. Or when I do sleep, I'm not really tired throughout the day. I've noticed that.
Yeah.
I'm more alert.
Rested?
Yes.
Alert?
I'm more alert. When I wake up, I'm here.
Present?
I know before I would take so many naps. I just didn't feel myself as far as that. When I got into this, I know that I put better things into my body. Even don't rely on junk food whenever I'm traveling and stuff like that. This is a good way to help me keep on track.
Awesome, I love it. Now, what do numbers look like as far as, have you been to any checkups as far as has cancer gone down, or any numbers gone down since you've been doing this stuff?
Since I started, yes. My two tumors that are around my right lung, both of them have shrunk very little. Well, they're about the size of my thumb.
Okay.
Both of them.
They've gotten smaller.
Since September, they've shrunk both very little, but the best thing is they have been stable. They haven't growth. There's no growth in them for now that I've known. Since I started these, there hasn't been no growth, and I'm glad for that.
So you take the superfood smoothie with 12 superfoods. You drink your vegetables before the meals.
Yes.
The superfood. Well, this is the salad that we're working on. because it doesn't have pesticides or fertilizers, therefore the plant. And this is something really cool because we just helped a young lady, very young lady, with leukemia. It was out of control, and now the doctor said it's so good. But when we see this video that we made on this, it says that when they put pesticides and fertilizers, none of the nutrition goes up to the plant. It stunts the plant. Therefore, it's basically like plastic. And then it says, therefore, your cells, when you consume it, your cells don't work properly. And after I helped the young lady to understand with her parents, to understand, see my choice of words. It was that I didn't help them to get better. They helped themselves just like you. You own it. You're responsible for this. It's your fault you're better. Now, I looked up what is leukemia, and it starts talking about white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets. And then the white blood cells start acting bad. They create bad white blood cells, and it gets out of control. Therefore, your cells don't work properly. But wait a second, that's the same thing as this. So we're hitting it like from a mechanical point of view, that when you get good stuff, your cells start working properly. You're also drinking the hibiscus and the butterfly.
Yes, sir.
And that is from Africa. It's grown in volcanic soil, therefore, and it has anthocyanins that, from videos that we've seen, tell cancer to commit suicide. Now, in the smoothies, everything from this to the other superfood smoothie, they talk about phytochemicals that destroy every form of cancer, virus, and bacteria, according to scientists, for many years. So we have different things that are helping with cancer there. The hibiscus and butterfly, you drink some?
Yes, sir. Now that I feel better with that, I've given some to my mom.
Yes.
Because she wants to give it a try. So that's why I bought some here today. Just want her to just touch it right now.
Touch it.
Just touch it. Make sure it's good for you. You know, slowly increase your intake with it.
Yeah.
Even right now, she started that a few weeks ago. The flowers, hibiscus and mariposa.
Yes.
Those. And now she's slowly doing the green salad.
Good.
Yeah,
Good.
slowly, little by little.
Did she feel different a little?
Slowly. She barely started a few days ago.
Fantastic. Now, one more thing I was concerned about, really wanted you to do better, so we suggested the mushrooms. How do you do your mushrooms?
With those, I take it before my lunch meal, just 1 teaspoon with the salad.
Good.
Yes.
That'll work. I hope that's doing something for you. I've heard some pretty encouraging things from a lot of people, including myself and the cat that I told you outside, that the hair grew on the cat when it was sick. I really thank you for your video, and know that all we want to do is share that more motivation, more, and then it's really, dude, I'm a wimp, bro. I don't know. Sometimes I don't understand how you're so brave. If it was happening to me, I don't know if I would be the same. You have a lot of bravery, and you have such a great attitude.
Yes,
like you say, hey, you know what? I'm gonna fight. And I guess you don't know till you get there, but I really admire. We have a lot of younger people getting into this, and I say, look, dude, if I'm 54 and you're young, by the time you get to 30, 40, 50, you guys are gonna be masters at this. You guys are gonna take these things that I learned from other people and make them even better. And that's what I have the hope for the future, that we don't live in the dark. You know, even eating vegetables is bad for you because they got pesticides and fertilizers. Pero how are you gonna find the good stuff? Well, you can always search at Ruben's Grocery, see how close we've come with our friends that show us how to do it. Thank you so much for this video.
Thank you again, sir.
And God bless you, buddy.
For everything.
You got it.